All right, so last night I pulled out this giant projector screen. As you can see, it says audience side. It is 11 feet long. I just weighed it and it is 140 pounds. I said it was about 100 when I took it out, but with long things like this, it's kind of hard to determine what a weight is. There it goes to roll. All right, better than it was. So I think I have an idea of how to take it apart, but I'm not quite sure. I'll try to take out the unnecessary bits of the video. This side is already has its screws out. The problem is it still doesn't want to budge, so this could be a little bit of a challenge. I don't see any screws on this side, but it is all aluminum, which is why I'm taking it apart. There should be a motor in there. A lot of extruded aluminum, so I'm hoping for a decent amount of cash out of this. We'll see how it goes. I will put all the weights and figures of what I anticipate getting money-wise out of this thing when I'm done. So let's start taking it apart. I don't think these need to come off, but I'm going to remove them just in case. Tried to have the bits ready for the video. So these are the magnetic, but the entire case is extrusion. So this thing here, and I know that there's going to be a spring inside. Let's go ahead and flip it and take a look at that. So this would be the screen, but it doesn't want to pull out. This end piece is also magnetic. So that's that one. So all of this is probably going to be magnetic, but I've got some wire in here. I'll take that apart quick. Let's see what is in there. It's just going to be a junction box, but so this stuff here on this electrical stuff is usually aluminum. Sometimes a little bit of it is steel. So you've got your insulated copper wire probably. Twist that off on the inside. All right, so I'll go ahead and weigh up all the wire off camera. I'll put the numbers here as to what they are later on. So I'm not going to go through the rest of this. You can see that it's just wire on connectors. So I'll get all the wire together and weigh that up along with the steel. This thing looks like this is all one piece. Okay, I see it's on hinges back there. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know exactly how I'm going to get those out. And those there. Got lucky, it's the only socket I have out here. Oh, it's starting to come down now. So, I'm not quite sure how this thing comes out. But it looks like this bracket slides, more steel. There we go. Got some movement. So this is going to be a lot of the weight, probably. And it's not too bad, actually. So, cut this off the end. And let's just see how big this bad boy is. It's not as big as I thought it was. So this, unfortunately, is magnetic, so that'll just be all shred. I'll cut that off and throw all this away. And then there's another magnetic rod here. So, with that out of the way, I've got two more brackets here. And then I just need to zip these off. So that is one piece of aluminum extrusion. I'll take the rest of the brackets off at a later time. And then we've got, actually, I don't know if you can see that or not, we've got a tension rod right here. There is the second section. And then this is the last of it. So that is another piece of extruded aluminum. So that will get added to the pile. This thing's magnetic. This would be the tension rod probably. And so I'll just cut off that, add that to the wire, and that will just go into shred. Alright, it got dark real fast, so I apologize about that. But so I just put this large piece on by itself. That was 68 pounds of extruded all by itself. altogether, it is 88 pounds of extruded aluminum. I get about 90 something cents a pound. I'll put the numbers here. That is all shred. I'll go ahead and weigh that up off camera, tell you what I got for all the shred, all the wire, and a little bit of aluminum might not be worth weighing out, but I'll put it in if it does weigh up to something. So thank you for watching. That's what's inside a huge projector screen, and fortunately not a whole lot of it was dead weight. A very good pick out of the dumpster for sure. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Leave your comments below and I'll talk to you later.